Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dewi. Today I would like to share with you massage on the face. But before we start, please press button like, comment or share. Okay, let's start. So on this massage we need oil on the face, special for face. So you can use 3 or till 5 drop on your hand. And then put mix the oil and then put on the face. Very gentle. And also on the neck and shoulder. Okay. So we start with the effleurage. Put your hands interlock here on the chin and then bring it up. Goes under the eyes and then press here, go down, come back to the nose and then press on the forehead. So you can repeat this movement 3 till 5 times. Then we start with the moving on the neck with circle motion. Work with your 4 fingers. And from here, you work to the side. And then the other side. Okay. And then we will work on this muscle, lift up the muscle on the chin with 2 fingers. And then you little bit pinch a little bit and then move it this side, push, and then the other side. And then we're gonna move 2 fingers from down here on the chin. And then from here under the nose. Okay. Now again we start with circle motion with 2 fingers and lift up. Okay. Try to move your hand one by one. So right here and then the other hand. Don't lift the face without touching. So one by one move your hand. And then we're gonna pull up on the cheek. You can move faster or slower. Now we're gonna move around the chin Sorry, the cheek. You can move this side again. Always the motion of going up. Move one by one your hands and the other hands. Okay, after that, let's move to the under the eyes. The circle motion. With one line only. Here my hand is pressing this part and then go softly going down, coming back under the eyes and press a little bit harder and then move slowly here. Okay, now we move with the 8 circle and same movement, both hands. Always press this part where the stress or the point when you have headache. It's good to press and release the tension here. One more time. And this one also. It's very relaxing. Move 2 fingers one by one and then press. And then here we have movement like pinch this part on your eyebrow, maybe 4 till 3 times. And then one by one you move your hand. We move to the forehead. And then move circle motion and press here. Okay, and to close the facial massage, come back again to the first effleurage. On the nose and press forehead. Going down, again lip up, move around the eyes, around the nose, and press again. One more time. So after we do the massage on the face, it's good to clean the oil on the face. So this time I'm gonna clean with the hot towel. Okay, I'm gonna show you now. This is hot, and then we do like this so the towel will be warm. Press under and give a space on the nose for the client to breathe, and then press gently. And then clean slowly from forehead under the eyes, on the neck, and slide it over, and done. Okay, that's it for today for face massage. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.